Hey Relativity users, today I want to talk about transferring Relativity workspaces. And what specifically I want to talk about is when you receive workspaces from other vendors. If you're not familiar with Relativity, workspaces usually have a lot of customization, and that customization is being packaged into what's called Relativity applications, and Workspace consists of a number of those applications. And oftentimes when vendors share workspaces with their clients or other vendors, they don't clean up applications or their customizations that they've created in their workspace. Over the years, I received a number of these workspaces from different vendors, and I very much enjoyed exploring them and seeing what other vendors came up with. I'm sure it was not their intention to teach me about their internal workflow and their internal process, but by not clean up before archiving their workspace, they shared all that information with me. Now this video is not so much about what cool things I found, but more about asking you guys a question. When you receive workspaces from other vendors, how do you handle them when they get restored into your Relativity environment? Do you just restore that workspace to your Relativity environment and enable access for your clients, and then just wait for requests for productions or batching out or processing, and as those requests come in, you figure out that workspace and how it meant to work? Another thing you could be doing after restoring the workspace, you can install all your own custom applications into it, go through it, figure out what different fields are, and try to customize it to be as close to what your other workspaces are. Or last option, do you restore data to your environment and then copy all the documents to a new workspace that's been created after your own company's template, making it look exactly like all your other workspaces. Now, each one of those workflow steps have advantages and disadvantages, and we will not talk about those in this video, but I do want to know what is your preferred workflow and how do you handle data when you're receiving them from another vendor, specifically Relativity archives.